Toby the tram engine. Look, there he is, waiting at the junction with his coach, Henrietta. The pair have been enjoying their new life on the island of Sodor, but they were looking old-fashioned and need new paint. Oh look, there's our friend James. But why does he look so annoyed?
Blech! What dirty objects!
At last, Toby lost patience.
James, why are you red?
I'm a splendid red engine, ready for anything. You'll never see my paintwork dirty.
Oh, that's why you needed bootlaces. To be ready, I suppose.
James fumed away to the big station at the end of the line, where Geoffrey the station master was waiting for them.
Morning, Andrew. Morning, Vinny.
Morning, Geoffrey. What's the change today?
Pardon?
Well, you usually come out of your office to greet us when there's a change to the timetable. What is it today?
Well, it's a bit of a difficult one. Henry left the sheds only to be derailed by the trap points outside. James is the only engine available to take a slow goods train.
All right, but what about our return train?
Don't worry about it. I'll probably just have Edward take it. Just don't forget our rules and regulations.
Say no more, Geoffrey. We're right on it. Come on, James. Come on, Vinny. We have more work to do. Dirty trucks from dirty sidings.
Blech!
Starting with only a few, James picked up more and more trucks at each station until he had a long train. At first, the trucks behaved well, but James bumped them so crossly that they were determined to pay him out.
The disrespect! We shouldn't be treated like this. I say we bump him out. Down the hill? Down the hill. Hey, Scruffy, what do you think? At the top? At the top. Wait, James, wait! Hurrah! Hurrah!
I've got to stop! I've got to stop! Oh dear, James crashed into something sticky. Seems to be two tar tankers. Oh my, he's covered from smoke box to cab in tar.
Look here, Percy. Whatever's that dirty object?
That's James, didn't you know?
It's James's shape. But James is a splendid red engine. You'll never see his paintwork dirty.
Well done, Percy and Toby. Fancy letting your trucks get the better of you, James, again. I am surprised. You must be cleaned at once. You're not fit to be seen. Toby should have a new coat of paint.
Please, sir, can Henrietta have one too?
Certainly, Toby.
Thank you, sir. She will be pleased.